Friends, welcome to Navratna's channel. Today we are talking about Bharni Nakshatra. If you have your moon in Bharni Nakshatra, ascendant in a Bharni Nakshatra or ascendant lord place in a Bharni Nakshatra, then this video is for you. Please stay tuned. First we will know the history of Bharni Nakshatra. Bharni Nakshatra is a second nakshatra among 27 nakshatras. Bharni Nakshatra is derived by Lord of Yama and his twin sister Yami. They both are twin sisters and brothers. They are children of Lord Surya Devata and Sanjana Devi. See, as per the nakshatra, this nakshatra Bharni is itself been kept by the Apo Bharni Shakti, that is a transformation or holding capacity of a person. So Aap Bharni Shakti is a power to transform, power to get detoxify, or power of removing unnecessary things. So as you know, the deity lord of this nakshatra is Yama Devata. What is the basic role of Yama Devata is to transform your life. After your deed is completed, after your life is completed, he takes your life and transform it to other loka or other body. So this is a basic role of a Bharni nakshatra. Secondly, this nakshatra is also related to Pitar because Yama is considered to be the oldest Pitar. So Pitru Shanti or Pitru things, rituals are done on this nakshatra for Pitar Mukti. Now we'll understand the symbol and description. See, symbol of this nakshatra is made up of three stars and this nakshatra is in the form of triangle. So it looks like a female reproductive system. So, as you know, these nakshatra people are people are which are into a transformation, and it also shows this nakshatra also tells about the pregnancy or a pregnant lady. This is because the Bharni is a holding capacity. Bharni is once your pot is filled, and the strength to keep it holding or strength to transform is called Bharni. So all pregnancy or pregnant people are being seen by Bharni Nakshatra. So those during the Bharni Nakshatra, most of the people get pregnant. So this nakshatra also tells that the reproductive system or the transformation of a body. So you can see a person getting transformed in the reproductive system of a woman. So this description is already reflecting on the symbol. As you see the symbol is in triangular shape, that is in the reproductive shape of a female body. So these type of people are people who will have that transformation energy or will have that ambition to transform things. Now, who are the Lord of Bharni Nakshatra? Bharni Nakshatra Lord is Lord Yamadevta and Yami, and it is also called as a Kali because Kali is also the power of a transformation, power or a strength to completely transform things. Now, the planet Lord for this nakshatra is Venus, that is Shukra Devta. Now, Tattva of Bharni is Prithvi Tattva. Hence, person having this nakshatra will be straight worker or be a straight, he will not be like a person who will follow anyone. He'll be a person who will have this thing in his mind and he'll walk very straight with a strong determination. And this is because also the symbol for this nakshatra is elephant. Such type of people are headstrong. They decide on something and then they go with the firm decisions. The gender for this nakshatra is female. The placement and the degree. See, placement, this nakshatra is placed in Rashi Aries, that is Aries moon's full Rashi at a degree of around 13 degree 20 kala to 26 degree 40 kalas. It is having 4 padas. So each pada is 3 degree 20 kala each. This is placed in Aries Rashi, that is Mesh Rashi. Now, the plant for this nakshatra. The plant for this nakshatra is amla, or you can say Indian gooseberry. Why this plant is actually related to this nakshatra? Because amla is also very nutritious and it is holding that water holding capacity is seen in amla, and it is giving you a lot of it detoxifies you because it gives you vitamin C. So all these qualities of this nakshatra is related to this tree. So those people who have a Bharni nakshatra as a moon sign, ascendant sign, or a lord of ascendant placed in Bharni nakshatra should plant a amla tree, or you should have a amla for better health. Now we'll see the brief description of how does Bharni nakshatra, what is Bharni nakshatra and what are its characteristics. See, now let us understand what does Bharani Nakshatra is. This Nakshatra is of deity Yama, that is, the ruler is Yam Devta and twin sister Yami. And the lord planet for this is Venus, that is Shukra Devta. Because of these two planetary combination, the person becomes very straightforward and will we have a lot of high moral. See, what is Yama Devta is a Devta deity. He will come on time. He will have that moral. He will see what is the righteous in his dictionary, and then he will take a decision. So thus, this person, this type of people will be very straightforward. Will have lot of high moral. Their moral you can't change. Once they decide on some moral values, they'll see to it that they follow it, and they are very punctual on time. You never seen Yama or Devta Dharmaraj, he will be late. He'll be very, he'll be a Lord who is always on time. So what you can see from this point is this type of people will be very punctual in their time. They will not be very aggressive. See, Ashli Nakshatra people will be very aggressive. They'll try make it very quick. This type of people will decide about the things and then they will be very punctual about the time. And then they will, one hate strongly, they will go and they will try achieve it. And this person is also having a qualities of Venus. So these type of people are like they are fond of beauty and they are fond of beautiful things. This type of people will love beautiful things. They will be very much attractive. They themselves will take care of their body because this is nakshatra which is coming in the face part of a Kal Purusha Kundali. So such type of people are very much aware about their hygiene, grooming. So they are self-care oriented person. uh, so this type of people are also, they sometimes because of their appearance or because of their, dedication, determination, they become little bit proudy. So proudiness or ego is being seen in this type of people, and this type of people are very action oriented. They will like they are person who will be very practical thinker and will conclude the work very fast, or you can not very fast in the respected time which will, if they have thought ki I'll conclude this work within this time, I'll conclude this. So such type of people are, you can say, very much action oriented. They will try complete the task. And the most important thing is, since this nakshatra is also showing a transformation uh, activity, or you can say detoxification or changing complete transformation activity, such type of people are a people who will have a bigger ambition in life. They will always think will be transforming into something new. I will be transforming in something big. So because of their action and their determination, they will try hard. They are sometimes over ambitious also. That ambitious is good, but sometimes they are over ambitious, and so they take bigger decisions in life. This type of people are very good in, as this nakshatra also represent your financial risk taking, or you can say financial calculations. So such type of people are very good in stock investors. They are good in, they can be good as a judge because they are a decision maker, and they are also good because of Venus. They are very good into artistic thing because it is also a nakshatra of, so they are one with their art they will transform. So such type of people who have that creative art, they transform world, or they have that complete image changeover. This nakshatra is having four padas. So all four padas are in the sign of Aries only. So now every pada is ruled by each planet. Now first pada of this nakshatra is ruled by Sun. Second pada is ruled by planet Mercury. Third is ruled by planet Venus, and fourth is ruled by planet Mars. So next chapter we will learn characteristics of a person having each padas. So please stay tuned. Thanks friends for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.